Hello everyone. Do you know that only 1% from people who are using the internet are getting money from it? Social media platforms are investing so much money, so let us know how we can get the benefits from this and start making money from your phone. It's important to discuss the different ways you can start on social media platforms. You can either start for free or by investing money to be seen by more audiences. The free way is a great option for those who are just starting out, as it allows you to set up your account, choose a niche, and create content using AI tools that can help optimize your videos or posts. It's imperative that you continue to post regularly to engage with your audience and create a community around your niche. By doing this, you can naturally build up your following and start to generate interest in your content. On the other hand, the paid way of starting on social media platforms involves investing money to be seen by more people. By doing this, you'll be able to drive more traffic to your social platform and reach a much wider audience. Once you've established a following, you can also start to monetize your content by affiliating with brands. Once you create your own brand, start to establish your small social media business. These are some social media questions to ask before looking into the accounts of your potential customers to get a sense of who they were doing before you arrived. Understanding what they have been doing and how you can actually increase their brand success is made easier with this information. How many established internet outlets, such as social media, websites, etc., does your organization have? What kind of content attracts your target audience the most? What are the main internal obstacles to selling your services to customers, based on your knowledge of current efforts to promote them? How are leads currently being converted? How has social media contributed to your overall sales growth? Stop using templates. Custom social media posts receive more shares than design templates that are used too much. The following is a list of questions that you can ask your clients about social media. Imagine this as an interview for new hires. We have compiled a comprehensive list of everything you should discuss with your clients after working with thousands of businesses. Social media accounts are now required by all brands. But this isn't just to make you look better. Brands need to actually interact with their online audience in order to be more successful. When a potential customer or prospect approaches you or makes a purchase from you, it is essential to keep this in mind. You need to get to know a customer before you can truly connect with them. You will be able to create the most relevant social media ads and posts if you learn about your client's organization and culture. Every venture in business has a purpose. Learn about your client's passion and the reasons they started their business. 1. Describe the culture of your company. 2. What was your original motivation for starting the business? 3. Which country are your workers from? 4. Does your company place a high value on diversity and inclusion? 5. Describe the way your company makes decisions. 6. Who are your organization's most influential individuals? 7. How do they affect the company and its customers? 8. What are the goals and visions of your company? 9. How would you characterize the personality of your brand? How do you promote yourself? Social media questions to ask about their audience. Get to know their social media audience a little better by asking these questions. It will help you understand which audiences they're targeting. Plus, know their audience's preferences and behaviors on social media. This way, you can create personalized content that will garner higher engagement rates. 1. What social platforms does your target audience use? 2. What issues matter to them? 3. How does your brand engage them? 4. What does your audience say about you? 5. Who, celebrities, influencers, does your audience engage with? 6. What types of reactions or responses do you get from your audience? What are appropriate inquiries regarding social media? It is preferable to inquire in depth about their social media accounts and branding. You could, for instance, inquire from your customers regarding the kinds of images or designs they would like to see posted on a regular basis. Regarding social media accounts, you could inquire whether they will provide you with full access or only the copy and image. Another thing to ask is, what programming you could use to distribute your online entertainment posts? What are good questions for Instagram? Captions may not seem as important on Instagram as the images you would post for your client. However, if you use the right caption, you might even get social media users to like, comment, or share your client's posts. Questions are one of the best Instagram captions. Additionally, when recommending Instagram captions, consider the following options with your client. How do you feel about topic here? Why or why not if you were an object or person here? What routine do you follow when it comes to the topic here? How can you engage your audience with a social media question? Engaging with their followers on social media is one of your client's primary goals. It's best to ask questions that are valuable and relevant to the brand. This question will not only help them create content but also provide insight into what their followers think. Among the questions are: what do you think about the topic here? What do you enjoy most about this location? How would you go through a day with product or administration here? Need assistance with social media posting? It's time to make your client's social media pages stand out after you've gotten to know them better. Now you have no reason for not making money just from your phone. This video was created by Samer Katea.